Hello everyone in cyber world, welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY. This week we are at a workshop to make bamboo LED lanterns.
Now we're going to go ahead and explain step by step what we...
What is that?
What's what?
That thing on your head.
Oh, that? Well, I had a fight with a hammer and the hammer won. So we were trying to help a family member. I was trying to help a family member remove and replace some rotted stairs outside, and I went to hit, and when the board had absolutely no resistance whatsoever, the hammer just kept going and
On its own too.
Epic fail. I'm glad we didn't record that. So anyhow, let's get back to the video.
The place that we went to, first they had to soak the bamboo in water to keep it fresh. And then we needed to clean it.
Our host started to clean, but Jennifer jumped in and did it herself.
The host provided us with a book of patterns. We looked through them and we also chose what we wanted to do.
A certain someone decided to choose what turned out to be the most difficult pattern, thinking how easy it was going to be. The host told us, we're not going to finish before the end of the day, but I had to challenge it and it looked like it was a fun thing to do, so that's what I did.
We then cut the pattern to tape it around the bamboo.
Before actually working on the bamboo that we selected, we were given the opportunity to practice drilling holes on a test bamboo. Jennifer started first, and yeah, it was fun.
Then it was Poor Man's turn to practice, but he had to show off.
Now each pattern had several different size circles on it, and based on that we were provided different sized drill bits. Each one fit the particular circles, and then it's just a matter of drilling out all the holes on the pattern.
And I wonder who will finish first.
One eternity later.
Once we finished drilling, then we removed the pattern from the bamboo.
After we finished drilling, we were provided a file and sandpaper type thing so that we can clean out the holes and inside and make sure that it was nice and smooth everywhere.
Let's go ahead and take a look at the finished product.
Now, let's go back a little bit. Before we actually started working on the bamboo, our host actually walked us through the bamboo forest and gave us an incredible history lesson. I thought I knew a lot about Japan and the history and the various religions of it. I had no idea. She was full of some incredibly fun information. It was about a 30-minute walk. I believe that she had the option of a tour that was an even longer walk. We kind of wanted to get on with the bamboo build. Maybe I regret not doing the full walk because we had a good time even on that short tour. This is some of the things that she showed us.
So if you're ever in Kyoto, this was a fabulous workshop. We had a lot of fun, and I hope you get to do it.
All right, for next week, we have a company that reached out to us. They want us to do a review on the project, on their product. So we're gonna go ahead and show how we install it. We'll test it out and let you know how it works out. So until then,
bye-bye.